Being active in school has always been strongly emphasized, and while it has many benefits with social life and productivity, many students have found themselves struggling to balance academics, extracurriculars, and time spent with friends and family. More and more, students struggle with saying no when debating to put more on their plate, which is detrimental to their mental and physical health. Students who are overcommitted generally commit themselves to the point where it becomes overwhelming and impossible to keep up with their current lifestyle. They use up all of their energy, eventually leading to exhaustion and physical illness. According to Psychology Today, overcommitment can lead to diabetes, sleep problems, autoimmune disease, and even cardiovascular disease. These physical side effects are enough to make any student reevaluate their current schedules. However, the effects that being overcommitted has on mental health are just as detrimental, leading to increased depression and anxiety. Counselor Tracy Salvatore explains how being overcommitted can shape students' habits.
And being overscheduled often contributes to people using avoidance as their main coping strategy, and avoidance tends to be one that, not in moderation, tends to kind of bite people in the end and not work out well and lead to greater mental health concerns such as depression or anxiety or panic attacks. A lot of times you see things come up for people out of the blue when they're not dealing proactively with their day-to-day stress, or they're adding on too much and not incorporating a nice balance of downtime or me time or breathing time, time to just be human.
Senior Peter Burrows is just one case of a student who has overcommitted themselves. Burrows is a part of DGS's marching band, speech team, drama department, Operation Snowball, and several other activities, all while having academics and a home life to take into consideration. Although he made sure to emphasize his love for the activities he is a part of, Burrows explained how being involved adds to his stress level immensely.
Oftentimes in a lot of the theater things that I do, I find myself struggling to get homework done when I come home from the late rehearsals, and with marching band too. And that's a struggle that I've had, is actually completing my homework when I come home really late.
Before students reach their breaking point, it's important to acknowledge the many steps that students can take in order to lighten their load, mentally and physically. Salvatore went in depth on several ways to take care of yourself if you find that you are overcommitted.
I think that prioritizing your interests can be helpful, just so that you're not trying to do everything at the same time and be everything for everyone else. I think that scheduling downtime for yourself is really important on a daily basis. I don't know that there's any one answer that would work for everyone. I think it's different for each individual, but being in tune with yourself, monitoring your own mood, making sure that you have kind of work-play balance, time with peers, time with friends, time to engage in activities that are enjoyable and not just feel like you're on all the time.
This is Kate Riley from the Blueprint News Network.